Welcome to the Dream Giveaway Garage. Today we're going to be talking way back to the 1970s and the 1971 Dodge Demon 340. This was an affordable muscle car at the very tail end of the original muscle car era. This one built in California, sold in California, loaded with options, high impact color, some super cool features, and you can win it in our Classic Demon Dream Giveaway. Let's take a look at what makes this early 70s muscle car such a gem and why you want to put it in your garage when you help out charities. Come on along. I love seeing the window sticker of these classic Mopar products for $15.20. You could get hood pins. Here's another treat inside the engine bay, electronic ignition from the Chrysler Corporation. That's factory issued. And what a treat, just seeing this engine bay. Wonderful restoration on it. Hemi orange on the block and on the heads and on the valve covers. Haha, Mopar rocks. Turn signal indicators on the fender, rally wheels, striping, the rally striping. Of course, the Demon 340 decal came on the vehicle. These are reproduction polyglass E70 14 tires, but that's what they came with back in the day. We walk around here, some neat stuff. I see that the glass here is original Chrysler glass. Nice little Super B decal on that rear window. By the way, this rear window doesn't roll down, it kind of pulls in and out. Haha, gas tank and premium fuel for that big healthy V8. Rear spoiler, dual exhaust, some more great decals on the back. The cartoon Demon is back there as well. Rear bumper guards, that's an extra cost option. When we come back around here to this side, you'll also see that the sport mirrors are an extra cost option. Wonder what's inside that's needing this antenna. I'll show you in a minute. You gotta love sitting in an early 1970s Mopar. This Demon from 1971, what a classic view here on the instrument panel. You've got a speedometer going up to 150 miles an hour, and you've got a triple odometer on here. You've got a tachometer going all the way up to 6,000 RPM. And then you've got a rally gauge pack giving you alternator, gas, oil pressure, and a temp. Over here, you've got an AM/FM radio. And what's this big contraption down here? Well, you're going to have to think way back. This is a cassette deck, a stereo tape player with a microphone. So it would allow you to record while you were driving. It was like an early karaoke system. What's neat is this TorqueFlite transmission up here ran about $240. The AM/FM cassette player with the microphone came in second place for big dollar options, about $208 for that whole system back in 1971. Someone must have really wanted to jam out back in the day. Other extra cost options include the tough steering wheel right here and a pedal dress-up kit. That means there's chrome around the pedals. You know, the real music is turning on this 340 cubic inch V8 engine, lighting it up, and we're going to do that for you now. Remember, Dodge looked to its historical muscle car past when it came out with the 2018 Dodge Demon with 840 horsepower and the new 2023 Dodge Demon 170 with over 1,000 horsepower. And that's why this classic Dodge Demon from 1971 is such a special treat for Mopar fans. Remember, use the promo code that you have seen here with this video and you'll get bonus tickets. I hope that you're the lucky person to put this 71 Dodge Demon 340 in your garage when you help out charity. We'll see you next time. More great fun, more great action, more great grand prizes like a 1971 Dodge Demon 340 It only happens here for you in the Dream Giveaway Garage.